Hey friends, if you wish to fix Roblox Error Code 277 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the server status of Roblox, because if the server is down, then nothing else will work. Go to status.roblox.com and it will mention all incidents which are recent, and since there is no recent incident since 2021, I can safely assume that Roblox is working fine, but I'll still check it on the original website. Everything is on operational and everything is in green. The second solution is to power cycle the modem, router and the computer. So switch off the modem, the router and the computer, all three devices, but keep them connected. After that, switch on the modem, wait for the lights to be stable, then switch on the router, wait for all the lights to be stable, and then switch on the computer. Now, some users may find it confusing because their modem and router is combined. So in that case, you all only have to switch off the modem and router, then switch on the router, wait for a few seconds, and then switch on the computer. The next solution is to flush the DNS. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay, I'll change it to a / and hit enter. It says successfully flushed out DNS resolver cache. Then you can try connecting to Roblox once again. And the last one is disable any third-party VPN that you're using, or any VPN at all, because Roblox is not supposed to be used with VPN. That is a red flag. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.